Doctors take years to train. AI takes a few weeks. Doctors work long shifts. AI never sleeps. And guess what? Just discovered an antibiotic. By mistake. Ladies and gentlemen, medicine's new superstar wears no white coat. It's a machine. Yes, you heard it right. Artificial intelligence. That same thing helping you write emails, fix grammar, and make cat memes is now curing diseases. Let's break down this medical miracle superbugzo's terrifying. Bacteria that laugh in the face of antibiotics have been a global nightmare. Every year, over 1.2 million people die due to antibiotic-resistant infections. Doctors have been scrambling. Pharma companies have mostly given up. And then, enter AI. In 2020, MIT researchers trained an AI model to scan thousands of chemical compounds to predict which ones could kill dangerous bacteria. The result? It found a completely new compound. They named it halicin. Here's the twist. It was just lying around in an old database of failed drugs. Nobody noticed it, but AI did. In minutes. How does AI do it? Simple answer. Math and madness. AI models use deep learning, analyzing molecular structures, behaviors, and interaction patterns, things so complex that even the most experienced chemists might miss. Think of it like Sherlock Holmes, but on steroids, caffeine, and quantum computing. It doesn't just look for what works, it predicts what could work. And it doesn't get tired, or hungry, or distracted by WhatsApp notifications. Now imagine this. You walk into a hospital. You feel a pain in your chest. Instead of a human asking you a dozen questions, you walk into a scanner booth. 30 seconds later, an AI gives you a risk report, suggests 3 possible diagnoses, compares your symptoms to millions of similar cases, and recommends a treatment plan backed by the latest research papers it just read 5 minutes ago. Real story? AI already reads X-rays and MRIs more accurately than most radiologists. It's catching tumors earlier, spotting fractures that eyes miss, and helping doctors in rural areas where specialists don't exist. Traditional drug discovery takes 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars. AI can predict, simulate, and shortlist possible compounds in days. This isn't theory, it's already happening. Companies like In Silico Medicine used AI to identify a drug for fibrosis in just 18 months. Another AI tool helped identify COVID-19 drug targets in record time. It's not magic, it's machine learning. AI doesn't know biology the way humans do. It sees patterns, sometimes patterns that nature herself didn't realize she was making. Short answer, no. But doctors who don't use AI, well, they might be replaced by those who do. Because AI doesn't replace compassion, judgment, or the trust patients have in human beings. But it does help make smarter decisions. Imagine a surgeon with X-ray vision, encyclopedic knowledge, and real-time suggestions popping up in their smart glasses during surgery. That's not sci-fi. That's now. DOS. It's not all roses and robotic hugs. With great data comes great responsibility. Who owns your medical data? Can an AI make life or death decisions? What happens if it makes a mistake? And most critically, will poor countries even get access to this tech? Or will it become another luxury only billionaires enjoy? We must ask hard questions, tend to walk, because AI is fast. But ethics. Let's bring in some true stories. UK's NHS used Google's DeepMind to detect eye diseases, rivaled the best specialists in accuracy. IBM Watson Health, once hyped as the AI doctor, failed due to overpromising. Lesson: AI isn't perfect yet. China deployed AI to triage COVID-19 patients at scale when human doctors were overwhelmed. Bottom line, it's already saving lives. The hospital of the future might look like this. Smart AI kiosks doing basic diagnosis, robotic pharmacists mixing drugs on-site. Virtual doctors consulting globally, personalized pills, 3D printed based on your DNA, and AI systems predicting illness before symptoms show up. The line between man and machine is blurring fast. Final thoughts first. AI helped us with spelling. Now it's helping us not die. Think about that. We taught machines to learn. And now they're teaching us how to live better, longer, and hopefully healthier. But AI is a tool, a brilliant one. And just like a scalpel in the wrong hands, it can harm. So it's up to US doctors, engineers, ethicists to guide it wisely. Because in the end, the smartest doctor might be silicon, but the most human one still has a heartbeat.